So I'm reading this outline of Filipino mythology book by F. Landa Jocano, and there's this story about Indarapatra and Suleiman. And I just thought it was really cool. I don't know if Indarapatra is actually related to the Hindu Indra, but I mean, I feel like it's not like completely random because Indra is a god of Hinduism. He's a deva of Hinduism, and the Philippines was actually influenced by Hinduism thanks to the Mahapajit and Srivijaya empires, right? So Hinduism did come to the Philippines, and so there's Indarapatra, which sounds a lot like Indra, right? And then there's Suleiman, which sounds a lot like Solomon, and that obviously is going to come from like Islamic sources, because actually Islam was actually the first Abrahamic religion that came to the Philippines. So basically what I'm saying here is that it's like they're Hindus and Muslims in the Philippines and they're friends. Here's the extension of that. That was a fucking short. I had to fucking cut it at like 1 minute because I'm trying to like fucking deal with this fucking algorithm or whatever. But basically I just thought that was really fucking cool because, like, obviously Hindus and Muslims are not really known for being best friends. There was that whole, thing, like, Ram Mandir or whatever, and the Babri Mosque in India, like, they're kind of known for fighting in India or whatever. Hindus and Muslims are obviously, they come from very different religions as well. Hinduism is, like, at the surface level polytheistic and, kind of like the worst thing to Muslims, and like Islam just kind of doesn't make sense to Hindus, I feel like. So I don't know, these two groups are not exactly friends. So it was really interesting to see that there's a Filipino story where it's this guy called Indarapatra and Suleiman, and I'm like, well, being like a student of history, I obviously know that Indarapatra is very likely influenced by Indra of Hinduism, and Suleiman is obviously influenced by Islam, and both of these things were in the Philippines at certain points. So it's really cool to see two things that are usually fighting kind of come together in one story. Makes me very happy, and I haven't really read the story yet, but I just like the names were just so cool to me that I had to fucking talk about it. But okay, enough. Bye.